APECYC. We have a headlight brake light system. 6 LED, GoPro, Garmin compatible. The brake light's on the rear of the post and on the handlebar. And we're going to hit the mode from low, medium, high. And we have a rapid. What we'll do is we give a ride, show you what it looks like from the rear and the front. As you see the tail light, turn around, you'll see the headlight. For visibility at nighttime and daytime. On the left-hand side or right-hand side of the unit, when you press on the button, we have flashing, flickering, solid, low, and flash. On the headlight short press, we have the indicator of battery level, low, high, flash, and solid. The APECYC 6 LED headlight brake light, 5+4 modes. And this is what the unit looks like. It's adjustable, rotatable on the handlebar, easy to install. Put on a helmet with the finger, GoPro, Garmin mount, and more. And that is what the brake light and light looks like, 6 LED. And you have the back brake light on and breathing.